So we're going to move on to something completely different, as Monty Python would say, and this is smoking causes coughing. I mean, smoking causes a lot of things beginning with C, but coughing as well, no doubt. Who's going to introduce this one?
Well,
Emma.
That's me. Genuinely, I don't know how to introduce this. It's mental. So, what I wrote down was the movie that happens when you mix Captain Planet, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Power Rangers, an average budget B movie, and tobacco. Here's a clip.
Bonjour, chef Didier.
C'est en étant soudés que vous pourrez sauver le monde.
J'avais prévu de passer du temps un peu avec mes gosses, en fait.
C'est un ordre, vous partez immédiatement.
Yeah, I mean, I saw the trailer for this and I was thought, what on earth? What on earth? Is it still in cinemas, by the way? I haven't actually, other than seeing a preview I couldn't get to. I'm not sure I've actually seen it, 'cause it's French subtitled, isn't it?
Yes, yeah.
So I don't think it's actually come out yet, because we had a Cineworld Unlimited screening where I saw it. I think that would be when Emma saw it as well, right?
One very, very independent cinema in Bristol that has it. Nowhere else has it, but I can't remember if that was not very mainstream. This one.
Yeah, 7th of July. It came out last week, so I just think it's got a very limited distribution. So you'd be lucky to actually find that, unless it drops onto streaming. So Emma, what did you make of this?
Well, so you've got, I mean, the basic premise is it's a group of 5 superhero-ish vigilantes who have the power of tobacco. And as I said, you know, Power Rangers, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, that is the sort of enemy they're fighting. You know, you can absolutely picture it. It's just so weird.
Akin, what is it like?
Is
it like Monty Python, or...?
No, it is like a serious movie that's just terrible, but they've done it that way because that's what they're aiming for. And yeah, so basically, you know, they start in a fight scene, but they're not really being a very cohesive team, so they have to go on a retreat to get better acquainted with each other and, you know, get back into the rhythm of it. And then another bad guy comes along and potential end of the world scenario. So it's them dealing with all of this, you know, the relationships between everyone in the team, and a fantastic little robot. And yeah, obviously, I mean, I am going to spoil it because I can't remember if it was in the trailer or not, but you get the idea when you say they've got the power of tobacco. They basically all stand around the villain and put out their hands Captain Planet style and release their different toxins from tobacco and kill the villain with cancer.
It's true.
So it's a film with a message.
I don't know what that message is. There are just so many. But it was hilarious. Like, there were only 3 of us in the screening. Foreign language films don't do great at my Cineworld.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think it was literally 3 of us, and the 3 of us were having a riot. We were laughing like all the time. Yeah. I mean, yes, it won't be on at a local cinema near you, but absolutely try and find it to watch.
Okay.
It's well worth it.
Good. Andy, did you have the same view?
Yeah, I wrote down Monty Python meets Jackass.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, as Emma said, you've got these 5 superheroes fighting using nicotine and other stuff to do with cigarettes. They go off on a retreat. They are led. Their team commander is clearly on another planet. He looks like Elf after he's been through an accident, a car crash. And he's drooling and green drool, and he's always in bed with some beautiful woman, and there's another ludicrous plot line going on there. And the whole thing is ludicrous, zany, over the top. Do you know what? I had great fun. It really is it's almost, not quite, but it's almost a Plan 9 from outer space for this generation.
Yeah, I was
really.
going to suggest that when Emma
Yeah.
was saying that. Is that Plan 9 from Outer Space? Or,
Yeah. So it's so bad it's good, and I think it will probably be one of those films that ends up getting cult status somewhere down the road, where people will go to late night screenings dressed up in the costumes and or dressed up as cigarettes. I have a feeling that may happen, but it's going to disappear from cinemas very quick. It'll be available to stream very, very soon. It's 95 minutes of pure zaniness. Just go and have a laugh at it. They're laughing at themselves, actually, because they know the whole thing's being made for about 10 quid, And,
was it even
really
that long,
like
though?
it. Sorry?
Was it even that long?
No, sorry, you're right. It's 77 minutes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Sorry, my mistake. Thank you for correcting me.
I was
77
like,
minutes.
I'm sure I came out and it was still bright sunshine.
Yes.
Right, scores out of 10 then.
Who's going first? Shall I go first?
Go on, Emma.
Yeah.
I really want to give this a 10. I feel like I shouldn't, though. Which is awful.
You feel dirty giving it a 10.
I do. I think I'm going to have to. I enjoyed it. There's nothing I would change.
Go for it.
Yeah, 10.
Okay, 10. Andy?
I'm going to give it an 8.
An 8, okay.
An 8, yes.
Well, that still gives us a pretty solid Flickering Dreams score of 9.0, making it a vaping. Wow, smoking causes coughing. That certainly sounds. Yeah,
nuts.
I'm surprised it got that higher score. Let's say, but,
Only because it's so bad.
Well, only because it's so bad, it's good.
Good.
Bit like Moonfall. All right,
Exactly.
So terrible.
Let's not go there.
So
Not
terrible.
diss Moonfall.
I really enjoyed it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. That's what I like to hear.
We-